Hey, what's up? You may have already forgotten that I have POCO M4 Pro smartphone. We posted a video with unboxing and first look of this mobile device about 3 weeks ago. There is also a performance test and battery test videos on our channel, Tech Brothers. The links to them are in description. Now I want to tell you about camera of the new POCO smartphone. You know, it looks like POCO M4 Pro has quad camera and flashlight on the rear panel, but there is only a dual camera, 50 megapixels main sensor and 8 megapixels ultra-wide-angle sensor. Even without bokeh sensor, the smartphone still has a portrait mode. The new mobile device doesn't have macro sensor and macro mode, but it is not a big problem for me, because I don't take macro pictures. On the front panel, there is a 16 megapixel selfie camera. Talking about camera up, POCO M4 Pro has Pro mode, video, photo and portrait, as well as other shooting modes such as night, 50 megapixel, short video, panorama, etc. In the photo mode you can choose 1x, 2x or 0.6x zoom. There is also a flashlight, HDR, AI, filters and Google Lens at the top. In the settings menu we have some useful options, for example correct distortion in ultra-wide shots and correct face distortion on group photos. We can also choose a picture quality and many other settings. By the way, the maximum video recording resolution is 1080p at 60 fps. However, the video stabilization is available only in 1080p 30 fps resolution. Now I want to show you the photos that I shot in regular photo mode, 50 megapixel mode and ultra-wide-angle mode. All of them look very good, but I especially like the wide-angle pictures. I have already said many times that I am fan of a wide-angle camera, and I am glad that POCO M4 Pro has a wide-angle sensor. The smartphone doesn't have a bokeh sensor, but there is a portrait mode. The portrait photos also look very good. Do you agree? By the way, there is even a portrait mode on the front camera. I also took some photos at night. As you can see, the pictures in the night mode are the best. So I recommend you to use this mode when taking photos in low light conditions. However, the pictures on the wide-angle camera are very weak. In my opinion, it is better to avoid the wide-angle mode at night. Talking about video shooting, first I am very glad that POCO M4 Pro can record a video on a wide-angle camera. I have tested some other smartphones before and they could only take pictures on the wide-angle camera, but not videos. By the way, the videos on the wide-angle camera are very smooth. As I already said, a video stabilization is available only in 1080p 30 fps resolution. If you choose 1080p 60 fps resolution, you will have a shaky video like this. In general, video quality is very good on POCO M4 Pro. To be honest, I had no doubt that the new POCO smartphone takes high-quality pictures and videos. I even like the solution of dual camera instead of a triple or a quad. The previous generation POCO M3 Pro had 48 megapixels main sensor, 2 megapixels depth sensor, and 2 megapixels macro sensor. To be honest, I didn't see much point in 2 megapixels sensors. From other side, the new POCO M4 Pro has 50 megapixels main sensor and 8 megapixels ultra-wide-angle sensor. I think it is much better combination. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Tech Brothers.